Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Summer Bay community located in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at this quick move-in or spec home by Pulte Homes. This is a Mystique floor plan and features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage as we can see here, and has approximately 1,800 square feet. And here we're walking up to the front porch. And this home does sit on a 50-foot home site. Here we have the front entry door, 8-foot height. All right, and here we have the foyer. And this home does include LVP flooring, luxury vinyl plank throughout the main living areas. We're gonna start our tour over here to the right. We have the 2nd bedroom. We have 2 windows here, allowing for natural light into this bedroom. You have carpet there. You have the pre-wire for a light fixture or fan. Here's the closet. And this home features 9-foot ceilings. You're gonna have 8-foot interior doors. Here's the 2nd bathroom. You have the undermount sink with tile floor, shower tub combo. Here we have a coat closet. Okay, and across here we have the garage entry. Here's a little mudroom area. You can have a built-in. Take a quick look at the garage. Now, this garage features a tandem space for a golf cart or storage. And across we have the laundry room. You have cabinetry and a sink. This quartz countertop. And Summer Bay is a natural gas community, so you do have the option for a gas dryer. So you have your gas hookup there, or if you prefer electric, you have your dedicated electric outlet there for an electric dryer. Then you have your washer hookups there. Here we have the mechanical room. This is where the AC handler will be. You do have some extra storage here. All right, continuing our tour, we have the study here with double doors. The LVP flows into this room. They have the drop soffit ceiling here. The pre-wire there for a light fixture or a fan. Right here we enter the main living area. Here we have a tray ceiling with additional lighting, LVP flooring. You do have pocket sliders here. So this opens up. We've paved lanai, screened in as well. Now the builder will be adding a shrub line there for privacy. And then over here, there is a view to water. There's a gas stub over here if you'd like to build out an outdoor kitchen. And on beautiful days like today, you can open up these sliders as well and just have these open, enjoy the nice weather. I know Florida is known for the heat, but you do have some nice days in the high 60s, low 70s in Northeast Florida. Here we have the dining area. This kitchen features the gourmet kitchen layout where you're going to have your vent there with the cooktop over here, and then the microwave oven combo. You can see the backsplash here. And the cabinets do feature soft close. Pantry over here. Now we head into the owner's suite. Here you have a drop soffit ceiling with additional lighting. And just before entering the owner's bath, we have a pocket door. Okay, and then we have two sinks here, quartz countertops, undermount sink. Here we have a super shower with a bench and the rain shower head. Additional space here in the linen closet. Water closet over here, and then the walk-in closet. If you'd like to know more about this home, the community, looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to assist you with your move, the new construction process. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.